Hey everyone, welcome to Financify. Today, I'll show you how to quickly download and install the Kraken app to start managing your crypto investments. Let's dive right in. First, open App Store or Google Play Store according to your device. Next, use the search bar and type in Kraken. Then, look for the official app. Tap on Install or Get and wait for the download to complete. Make sure you are connected to Wi-Fi for a faster download. Once the app is installed, tap Open to launch it. If you are new to Kraken, click Sign Up and follow the instructions to create an account. If you already have an account, simply log in with your credentials. And that's it. You are now ready to start using the Kraken app for your crypto trades and investments. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Financify for more guides like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.